Mic test. So yun. Hi, my name is Najin. I'm recording this VOD to personally express myself in Tagalog or in English. But first, let me say that it's been a tough month for the past January. I can't recall the things that I did last January, but I can assure you it was bullshit because I really did nothing. Like in terms of me trying to say that I just I'm just living a autopilot life, or maybe because I'm used to the things that I'm doing so far and not getting the essence or the purpose of why or how am I doing such things, because it's been tough to say the least. So yeah, but I started out, just chilling, laying in my bed, watch YouTube videos, Minecraft, playing games, and when in fact I did such things that I was alone. So yeah, but to be honest, it kind of made me realize that what's going on, what's bothering me, what's holding me back to unlock my fullest potential for this year, for 2022. Yeah. So yeah. And yeah, it kind of makes me sad and languish at the same time because it's so difficult to find purpose in this pandemic, in this trying times, uncertain times. Yeah, well, a lot of people have unique situations that may find them motivated or problematic, but like it is what it is. Like I have you have your own business, I have my own business, but it kind of hits different when you overthink it. Yes, yeah, but in terms of the things that I need to be done, that we need to be done, that needs to be done rather, I think it has something to do with the discipline and the the idea of you and me making the choices at our given time, which we have the same hours in a day, 24 hours, but like ang mahirap siya. So yun. Yet again, this is me, Naljin, trying to make sense of what's going on in my head and in my world. But yeah, so yun, thanks for listening and have a good day and keep safe.